just grab things. It's not the most dignified thing, but after having ALS for a while, you kind of lose any sense of pride anyhow.
Hi, this is Kristin and Todd with the ALS 411 on eating. Everyone's at a different stage of the disease, and choking is always a risk, and so please talk to your healthcare professional before you take our advice. We're just showing you what works for us. So in the beginning of the disease, when Todd could still eat but had trouble and walk and move, but had trouble using his small silverware, we got these on Amazon, good grips, and they were great for a time. Things have gotten significantly more difficult, and now he eats at a counter height table, and then to get the height perfect, we have blocks underneath it, bed risers actually underneath the table. And we got this on Amazon. It was pretty inexpensive. It's just a counter height folding table, and he has the elevate function on his wheelchair, and so then he can fine-tune what height he wants to be at to most comfortably eat.
You can use plates. You can stack plates on top of each other. We have a letter box that we use to get the plate up to about the right height. If you don't have an elevate function, you'll just have to experiment with blocks underneath the legs of the table or stacking plates or whatever just to get the perfect height. The elevate function on the wheelchair just makes it so I can fine-tune the height, and we don't have to worry about getting just all of the pieces in place. So I pull up and I then I just get the chair just to the right height that I need, and Kristin will put food right on my plate.
I feed him a lot of things, but while I'm prepping dinner, sometimes he wants a snack, and he likes independence. Okay. For quite a while, we would go out to restaurants, and he would ask the waitress for a stack of plates, and then he could get to the right height. Sitting at the bar worked really good too.
Right. So we also use a light plate. We have some heavy-duty Mikasa plates that I think we got for our wedding, and those plates are a little bit too heavy, but a really light, what is this? Corelware plate works well for me because I can move it around, and then to eat, I just grab things. It's not the most dignified thing, but after having ALS for a while, you kind of lose any sense of pride anyhow. So you just want to be able to eat on your own without having somebody shovel food into your mouth every time you want to bite.
We also do coffee or soda in a mug.
Right. So the straws work really well for coffee. You know, some people might be concerned about the straw melting or whatever, but that's just not a concern. So I use just a regular flexi straw for my coffee, but we can also drink things like chicken noodle soup, Lipton chicken noodle soup, by using a thick straw or things that are thicker, you know, like a milkshake or something like that. We can use a thicker straw, and that works really well too.
And then we also have a Fleximug, and the Fleximug, it doesn't work for everyone because you do need some suction, but it does help assist with the suction to drink, and so it works for a lot of people for some time anyway. It's still working for Todd, and there's this holder that comes with it, and then we had somebody make this for us, and so then this sticks into the tray holder, and we can attach it, the Fleximug, to the wheelchair so Todd can get a drink whenever he wants.
Right, that post is probably a little bit beyond most people's skill level. To make that, he screwed a bolt into the bottom of it, cut it off, and and somehow attached it, I think with little punches to hold it in place, is probably beyond a lot of skill level, for most people's skill level, to do that. But this holder can attach to other things on the wheelchair. That just works well for us because we can take it on and off fairly easily. And then once you attach it to the wheelchair, then that flexible straw can be bent to just the right position.
He was a mechanic. Well, he owned a...
Right, he owned an auto mechanic shop.
So if you're friends with an auto mechanic, maybe they could do this.
Right.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and follow us at our blog, nevastory.com.